video, I'm going to be taking you step by step how to make a Nutella Christmas tree. They are so easy to make, absolutely delicious and freezable, which makes them a great prep ahead option for an easy Christmas breakfast or for a party food. All you need is 2 packs of ready rolled puff pastry, and before starting, make sure you use pastry that's been out of the fridge for about 15 minutes so it's easier to unroll. Unroll 1 pack and then basically just smother the whole thing in chocolate spread. And when that's done, unroll the 2nd pack of pastry, place it on top and pat it down. Then comes the fun part, cutting it into a Christmas tree shape. Now I decided to use a ruler to help me with mine because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so you can do the same but just make sure you give it a wash first and a spritz with some sanitizer, but of course you can just do it freehand. So once you've cut diagonally, remove the offcuts, but whatever you do, don't get rid of them. Then it's time to cut the tree trunk. Again, don't get rid of the offcuts, just pop them to one side, and then you go down the pastry to make the branches, making sure you leave a gap in the middle. Once that's done, just twist each branch. Now here's where the offcuts come in handy. Use one of the offcuts to make a star and pop it on top. And with the rest of them, just twist them so you can serve it either alongside or just on another day. Okay, so that's the Christmas tree made. You'll now want to glaze it with some beaten egg and a splash of milk, or just one if you like. And if you have kids, these Christmas trees are great for them to also get involved with. I know Chloe sure loved getting involved. Now I always glaze at this point regardless of whether I'm cooking it straight away or if it's going to sit in the fridge for a day or two or if it's going in the freezer, which this one was. So it just makes it a bit easier on the day when you come to cook it. And talking of cooking it, I cooked this one straight from frozen. It took around 20 minutes, but of course if it's from chilled it'll need less time. And then last but not least, dust it in some cinnamon sugar. Don't skip this step, you won't regret it. And there we go. Don't forget that you could also swap out the Nutella inside for some alternatives like jam or cheese and pesto, or even make a sweet and savoury version alongside each other if you're hosting a party. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got 2 videos dropping every single week in the run up to Christmas, giving you all the recipes, tips, advice you need to get organised for Christmas cooking.